Today we are in Big Rapids for a trail to table pairing. And what that is we go out and explore a place like this, the Big Rapids Riverwalk, and we pair that with a spot nearby to eat. And where we're going today is one of the most requested burger stops that we've ever had. It's called Schuberg's, and I hear it is incredible. I love hiking along open water in the spring. There's something about the open water that just reminds me that not only have the sunny days already started, but there's plenty more to come in the future.
All right, this is cool. This is exactly the trail we're doing right here. So unpaved trail part along the water, paved trail portion. Let's go right over here along the river part. Kind of on a little unexpected birding walk right now. There's a cardinal up here too.
I just turned on Merlin. We're hearing blue jays, northern cardinals, and then northern flickers. Oh, nice. Even the Midwest flamingos made an appearance. Hi, buddies. This trail system for me is new, but being in Big Rapids is not. See, when I was in college, I played football for NMU, so we would come down here and play against Ferris. And I absolutely love to see the success that Ferris has now and what it's doing for the division that I played in, because their success, well, it raises all ships. And it's just really awesome that a program like that can take place here. And now that I'm on this trail, I get to see Big Rapids from a different perspective than on the field. It's one of those like park workout areas.
Yeah. Like if you go do the full circuit, that's a good workout.
Oh, absolutely. So it kind of takes some of the circuit style training that's become so popular inside of gyms, and they take these things now and they build them in a very small footprint. But if you did all of them, it would be a ridiculously good workout. It's just how hard you want to push yourself.
Yeah, and a day like today is like the perfect day to do it.
I feel like I kind of want to go try a few out. Okay. They're right up here.
These pickleball courts and tennis courts here are so nice. Even on the map I was looking at, like Google Maps, they're just cement pads. So like that shows how new they are. So it's one of those places that like everything is perfect. It has the squeegees for post rain, and like they're in perfect condition. It's really nice.
Andy, you keep track more of all of the burger spots that we get requested to go try.
Yeah.
This one pops up so often.
Yeah, it's a ton since we've been doing the burger series now for a while. This one is like, people are starting to be like, why haven't you been there yet? I kind of am going into it not even knowing what to expect. I didn't do a bunch of like research. I kind of wanted to like have it all be a surprise when I got there. I'm excited.
Me too.
First time. All right, I'm gonna do the original Schuberger.
This is a classic burger spot.
Very cool place.
Maybe even their menu is saying burgers, it's what we do.
We hand pound and press over 31,000 pounds of burger every year, the same way since 1933.
I'm going to do the bulldog shoe, please. I thought, you know what, I'm going to do something a little bit more novelty on top.
Yeah.
And but I still had to go with something kind of local, so I thought the bulldog was the right one.
Sometimes we get comments saying that the topping should be underneath the burger. Have you ever seen that?
No.
And that's how this one is. So it's burger, cheese, and then underneath is the ketchup, mustard, pickles, and onions. So they're on the bottom of the burger. And I've seen comments that's like, that's the way to make a burger.
Huh. Even the bun feels amazing.
It's so good. There's a reason so many people have told us to go here. I don't know what else to say. I really like this.